Find the volume of the cylinder x square plus y square minus 2x is equal to 0 intercepted between the paraboloid x square plus y square is equal to 2az and xy plane. So here we will use triple integration method. V is equal to triple integration dz dx dy. First we will decide the limit of z from here, from these two equation. So from first equation x square plus y square is equal to 2az, then z is equal to x square plus y square divided by 2a, and xy plane is nothing but z is equal to 0. Okay. Okay, so from here it is clear that lower limit of z is equal to 0 and upper limit is x square plus y square divided by 2a. Now to make the integration easier, we will convert this Cartesian form into polar form. For this we replace x by r cos theta, y by r sin theta, x square plus y square by r square, and dx dy by r dr d theta. Now v is equal to integration 0 is 0, x square plus y square is equal to r square, and dz dx dy is r dr d theta. Now our task is to find the limit of r and theta. So from here x square plus y square minus 2x is equal to 0. So put x square plus y square is equal to r square and x is equal to r cos theta. R cos theta. So taking r common, r minus 2a cos theta is equal to 0. Now r is equal to 0 or 2a cos theta. So limit of r is 0 to 2a cos theta. 0 to 2a cos theta. Now we have to decide the limit of theta. So for this we have to draw this equation in xy plane. So x square minus 2x, add a square in both side. So this is x minus a whole square plus y square is equal to a square. Of course this is the equation of circle with center a comma 0 and radius a. The circle is like this. This is y axis, this is x axis. Okay, radius is a and center is a comma 0. So let this is elementary section, this is the theta. So to cover whole circle, this section will be start from this position and will rotate and finally will be in this position. Okay, this position is minus pi by 2 and this position is pi by 2. Just see here, if you will rotate this elementary section from here to here, the whole circle will be covered. Okay, so it is clear that lower limit of theta is minus pi by 2 and upper limit is pi by 2. Now we have to solve this integration. Okay, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, 0 to a cos theta, integration of dz is z, lower limit is 0, upper limit is r square upon 2a r dr d theta. Okay, this is minus pi by 2 and this is 0 to a cos theta. So upper limit minus lower limit, r square divided by 2a minus 0 r dr d theta. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 and this is 0 to 2a cos theta. r square into r is r cube divided by 2a dr d theta. Now integrate r cube with respect to dr, so we will get r 4 by 4, and 4 into 2a is 8a, 0 2a cos theta d theta. Okay, put upper limit 2a cos theta to the power 4 minus lower limit by 8a d theta minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. This is 16a4, 2 to the power 4 is 16, a4 cos 4 theta divided by 8a d theta. So 16 by 8 is 2a cube, and cos theta is cos 4 theta is cos square theta whole square d theta. Here we will use trigonometric identity. Cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. 2a cube minus pi by 2 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2 d theta, and square also. Squaring this, we will get 1 plus cos square 2 theta plus 2 cos 2 theta divided by 4 d theta. 2a cube divided by 4 further apply same identity for cos square 2 theta, so it will become 1 plus cos 4 theta divided by 2. So this is a cube divided by 2, and minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, 1 plus half 3 by 2 plus half cos 4 theta plus 2 cos 2 theta d theta. A cube by 2, integration of 3 by 2 is 3 by 2 theta plus half integration of cos 4 theta is sin 4 theta divided by 4 plus 2 sin 2 theta divided by 2 minus pi by 2. Put the limit a cube by 2, 3 by 2 pi by 2 minus pi by 2. Okay, plus 1 by 8, and this is sin 4 pi by 2, that is sin 2 pi, and when we will put theta is equal to minus pi by 2, then it is sin minus 2 pi plus sin 2 into pi by 2, sin pi minus sin minus pi. So after simplifying this, this is 3 by 2 pi by 2 minus plus pi by 2, that is pi 1 by 8 0 minus 0 plus 0 minus 0. So this is 3 pi cube by 4, 3 pi cube by 4. This is final answer. So hence volume intercepted is 3 pi cube by 4. Thank you.